welcome to another video on the R13 channel. Today we are going to be playing Airsoft. I heard it's been a little bit popular and fun. And Steve played it, so it must be good. So let's get into the video. Woo! Okay, we are now in Airsoft. We have a spooky scenery. Interesting. So we got 4 people that were saying and that stuff. World's view, great. And it's the cop. So let's get into the classic Airsoft. We're now in the lobby of Airsoft with crazy psychopaths in here.
Damn, I'm out.
Ah! Oh, jeez.
Of course she shot me.
Okay, we are now going to be playing another match. This is Fortnite, baby.
What?
Damn it.
Where the gun I need? Where the gun I need?
I just win this bro, buddy. Give me it.
I can't.
Hey, it's mine. Guide ya.
That was mine.
Oh, there we go.
I have not died yet. There. Yes, got him. What the frick, man? What is it? No! Let's go.
I just killed Brett with the fly swatter.
Yeah. What the? This gotta suck for sure, man.
Suck.
Sure, you can be shouted out. Bye-bye. Damn! I bet you can. I'm pretty copyable. Don't stop believing.
Shut your ass up.
Okay, what the? Hey, let's go. Oh, buddy, you're dead.
Oh no, I ate my weapon.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is happening? Hello, chat. Chat, we're dead.
The cam gives away your position.
I don't care.
He has a UAV.
Content creation is number 1. Got him.
I just hit bro with a fly swatter.
Content creation is number 1. You guys, I'm practically sacrificing for you guys.
Come on, UAV baby.
No!
Oh, that right.
Yes, I got it! Well, that's gonna be the video for today. I hope to see you in the next video, and please like and subscribe. I'm almost at 500 subs, so hope you have a good day.